So in the previous video, we have created heating and cooling load report. If you have missed that video, so you can please check it out. Now in this video, I will show you how to create HVAC equipment. Okay, so I am in Revit and I am opening floor plan, one mechanical view. And here, as you can see, I have created rooms, space, zones and everything. And you can also notice that I have also created some section view. So we will review some section view so that you can also have information about the section view. So in the section view, you can see we have ground level, we have basement level, and here that we have created the zones. So as you can see, everything is displayed as a very light manner, but this zone is displayed in a very dark manner. This is why we have to use the mechanical template. So only mechanical items like HVAC, mechanical equipment, air terminal, duct, only those items will be displayed as a very dark manner, and rest of the things, let's say you have imported any architecture model or structure model in order to get background information as well, those informations will be displayed in a very light manner. So that's why choosing the proper template is very most important while doing Revit MEP project. Now I am going on one mechanical floor plan HVAC, and we will place air terminal. So in order to place the air terminal, we will click on system tab, and here there is option of air terminal. You can also use the shortcut AT. So I am clicking on air terminal, and now what I want to do, I will go to the load family, and you can also load the equipment as well. So I am going to English and mechanical MEP air terminals, and here is my terminal which I want to use, floor mounted air terminal. Okay, so I'm clicking on open. Obviously you can use any one of the type of the air terminal, and make sure here the option should be selected place on work plane. So right now my work plane is first floor level, so it is placing like this. So here I am placing some of the air terminals. Now press the space bar in order to flip the air terminals. So as you can see, we have placed air terminals as well. Now what we will do, we also require the mechanical equipment called air handling unit. So air handling unit is the mechanical equipment, and that will be connected through all these air terminals. So instead of doing air terminal command, now we will use the mechanical equipment command. So shortcut of the mechanical equipment is ME. So clicking on the mechanical equipment, and here there are different mechanical equipments are already loaded, and we will use the vertical system air handling unit. The shortcut of air handling unit is AHU. So air handling unit, now we are placing it here. But this is the mechanical equipment. So instead of placing in the level 1 view, what we will do, I will go to the section view and selecting this air handling unit, and make sure I am changing its level from level 1 to the basement floor. So I am selecting this equipment and changing its level to the basement floor, so that you can see the equipment is automatically aligned to the basement floor. Now if I will go to the floor plan one mechanical view, as you can see, that equipment is not visible because of that equipment is placed below this level. So in order to see that equipment, what we will do, we will go to the view range, edit, and now we will use the view range depth to the basement floor, so that it will be see all the information on the basement as well. Now as you can see, this equipment is loaded in this view as well. It is visible in this view as well. Now if I will be go to the 3D view, so you can see the HVAC component like air handling unit and air terminals are displayed in a dark manner, and rest of the things are displayed in a very light manner. Now in the next video we will see about how to modeling a ductwork system. So we will meet on the next video.